Jack.
That's so good.
Jack, get focused.
Choo choo!
Going all the way into your face.
Fuck me. Ow, that one hurt. La 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 la.
Jack, that's the sound of you dying. It's so moist. Jack, turn around. Turn around. I like how you're just holding just an entire... How much lemonade is that?
110 calories of it. Oh, someone they drew a dick here.
It's beautiful.
They wrote balls right there.
Look at it go.
There were balls right there.
Oh.
What is that bug there? Where?
Literally balls.
Where is it? Right there.
Fuck that bug.
Hit me with the cheers. Come on. Oh, it dented mine. Damn.
Yeah.
Very nice. I grip every day.
Who do you grip to now?
Everything.
Glasses.
Yes, you can see the reflection of his glasses.
Hey.
Oh my god, I done you so hard. There's all the spider webs up here.
Ah! I got spider webbed.
I've been using my knife to clear them out.
Ah! I keep getting spider webbed. Oh, fuck. Ah! Where are we going? Are we going to the other side?
No, no one goes to the other side. You get shot on the other side.
Oh.
I'm terrified of heights.
Dude, heights are amazing. They're like the best thing ever invented by man. Man invented heights.
Man,
Here's Connor. This, how do people like go like the entire day just like holding their arm out like this?
that's what the selfie sticks for, Jared.
No! 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 No.
You want to see something cool? Hey, right? I'm a YY into his head. He on this waterless wasteland.
I gotta get this.
You gotta get that good suck.
It hit me! It hit me!
Dude, that looks like
I licked it!
I need this off right now.
I don't think that's gonna help you, Jack.
Why? I swallowed the water! Why? Why would you swallow the water? Why would you even put that water in your mouth?
Jump in it.
That's my feet. I mean,
Jump.
That's
Just
gonna-
jump all the way down.
yeah. Oh, hell no.
Yeah, don't
Do
go
it.
in that. That's a liquid.
You're liquid.
Your shoe is gone, man. You're stuck there.
It filled the other.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm just trying to get a closer look, man.
Finger foods for everyone.
No.
Your watch is on your hand, you know. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Are you gonna try and wash yourself off in that water?
Damn it! Damn it!
Oh no, Jack! Jack!
This one's stickier!
You need some milk.
Okay.
Where's some water?
Yeah, go around that way.
Over there.
Oh my god,
Ah!
Jack. Jack!
Why is mine so deceiving?
Oh god! There's mud on the camera!
Hey,
That's mildly adequate.
mildly adequate.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Holy. Oh my god. Jump, man.
Oh, smell! Oh no.
You didn't even hit with the hands. Go back, do it again.
Yeah. Go. Yeah, there's no way.
Are you stuck in there forever?
Look at this.
Bury your hands in there.
Jack! Jack!
Here we see how an animal can get stuck in the tar pits.
Why would you jump in, man? Jack, I need you to suck. Suck.
Give it.
Just fucking.